Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Swapna. I am here with a new video. In today's video, we are going to talk about acrylic basics. Let's start the video. Here we are with some basic needs and requirements for acrylic painting. I have some painting brushes. These are some types of brushes I am going to show you now. Next I have a palette. I am using square shaped palette where I can use many colors at a time. Palette can help us to mix color very easily. Next I have acrylic colors. Acrylic colors comes in small bottles. There are different brands. I am using Fabrica acrylics and Fevicryl acrylics. You can buy a box also. One box is having 10 bottles, or else you can buy a single bottle. It is costing you somewhere 20 rupees. Now we'll know where we can use acrylic colors. I would say they can be painted on almost anything. Say for example, canvas, wood, wall, fabric, papers, and even rocks. Hope you guys will like my video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.